company, Fangone Forest Entertainment.
Is it a registered company?
It's under process of registration.
So it's not a company?
But it's in process, madam.
When you say process, it's not a company? No, council. I am talking to him. So it's not a company?
Company, Fangone Forest Entertainment.
Is it a registered company?
It's under process of registration.
So it's not a company?
But it's in process, madam.
When you say process, it's not a company? No, council. I am talking to him. So it's not a company? Where do you stay?
I stay in Sankara zone.
Where is it from?
It's in Lukuri.
Which division?
Okay.
Division?
Much
How long have you lived there?
I've been there 4 years now.
2 years?
I'm making 4 years this month.
Where does your boss stay?
So here in Central Zone. Pardon?
Who is your chairperson in Sankara?
She's called our chairperson is Section Picasso.
Your phone number?
0704
07? You know your role as a sheriff? What is your role as a sheriff?
Actually here to stand.
I am not hearing you in the name. As a surety, what is your role? Allow him speak.
Yes, okubanga akomawo mu kooti at any time nga kooti emwagala mba nsobola okumukubiriza.
Is your boss, how are you going to ensure he returns to court?
Because
remember, he does not take instructions from you. Instead, he gives you instructions.
So the good thing is we have good relations with him, so he listens to me. So we will make sure put everything under consideration. Because I'm his personal manager.
You know, the number 3 is my assistant. She's a sister.
How old are you?
I'm 40.
What do you do for a living?
I have a salon and a boutique
Where?
in the Central Zone.
What's your relationship with the applicant?
It's my blood,
Biological, clan?
biological.
Who is older?
Me,
Where do you stay?
I stay here in Mafia,
I don't know where you stay. What is the zone called?
Central Zone,
Which parish? Division.
The division is the Makinde division.
Phone number? How long?
For over 20 years when he was still resident of Chiwente, Sankara.
Where does your friend stay?
He stays here in Makinde,
The zone.
Central Zone.
Sankara is found in which zone, which parish and division?
Sankara is found in Ukuli Parish, Makinde Division.
How long have you lived in Sankara?
I was born there.
Your phone number?
0757 83 87 38, and the MTN one is 0776 94 92 04.
Surety number 2, Your Honor, is Maweja Musa.
Also what? How old are you?
I am 36 years old.
What do you do for a living?
I'm an engineer in oil and gas.
Engineer in what?
In oil and gas.
That's a qualification. What work do you do?
I work with oil company called Slambaje. We do
Engineer with
oil and gas company called Slambaje.
the company name?
Slambaje.
Somebody. Do you have anything to confirm that you work for that company here in Kenya? Where is the company located?
Mbuya. Mbuya.
What's your relationship with the applicant?
Pardon?
What's your relationship with the applicant?
I'm his personal manager.
What do you manage for him?
I manage